Hello, it's me, Joy / Fairy Liquid from the magical land of JingJangJooJong. I'm just about to go off onto a party today and I thought I would upload the Spiderman balloon, which I have been making for years and years and years and years, and it's just such an old faithful. You're going to need 4 balloons, but the main ones are your Spiderman colour. So it's a 2 balloon Spiderman, so easy. It's a red and a blue 260 I've got here. I've also got like just a random colour. It doesn't even have to be full length, but nearly full length. Of any random colour you like, and something that will look like spider spit. And I've actually got a bit of scrap kind of like pearlized white balloon here, so that will be nice. Let's get started. So the first one I'm going to do are the legs, and that's blue. So I'm going to blow up my balloon all the way almost to the end. I'll just show you a little bit. So I'm just going to tie this off first and then push the air through. Let's see how much we've got left. Oh, look, like just 1 or 2 fingers. It really doesn't need much. You can leave a little bit more, maybe 3 fingers at the most. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just going to squash all the air down to the end of the balloon. I am going to do the feet. So I'm just going to twist a bubble here, and then I'm just going to turn it over like that and then lock those in like that. Turning that round. I'm going to pass the bubble through to lock it into place. So this is our foot. I think I originally learned this off Balloon Animals, made a couple of little changes. And then the next, on the other side, we're going to do the same thing, make his other foot. So twist those together. Okay, now I probably should have left a little bit more slack because it is quite turgid, we might say. But I'm going to find my halfway point and turn. So I have now got my legs there, and this part is also going to be the body. So, but for now, I'm just going to pop this under my arm like that, and we're going to take the red one and blow that one up. And now this, it's struggling a bit. Come on. Oh, that was a tough balloon. Right, now we want to leave more slack in this one. I'm just going to let a little bit of air out before I tie that off. I'll show you how much I've got left at the end. Okay, so probably about 4 fingers there. So because there's going to be a few more twists and turns in this one. Okay, I'm now a bit similar to the feet. I'm going to do the hands, but the hands are a little bit smaller, so not as loopy, not as big as the last ones, and push that through just to lock it into place if you can. Might not be able to do it on the other side. It depends how much slack we've got left. I'm going to push the air in all the way to the end, make the thumb and the hand, twisty, 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 push the thumb through the middle there, and pushing it through. And now you've got your hands and your arms. Now what I want to do is make an arm and then a head, and it varies between balloons, like how long your balloon actually inflates to, as to how long the first arm should be. If you want both arms to be the same size, which they never are with my Spiderman, I always end up with one extraordinarily long arm, but we make a joke of it at the party. So did you see that I also applied some pressure and squeezed that bit there, and I've got a little elbow now. So I'm just going to make a bubble for the head. So I'm just going to bend over like that. So I've got 4 fingers-ish, a little bit bigger. Depends how much balloon you've got left, really. Head doesn't need to be big. I'm going to turn that around a few times. This is now where we're going to put these 2 joins together, the neck and the top of the legs there. So we're going to push those through like that, nice and simple. And then we're left with this. And so we're just going to make the body. I'm just going to squeeze and turn like that. And I'm going to finish off by pushing up this red bit here in between those blue bits, and I'm going to lock it into there. So I'm going to make my twist first, and then I'm going to pull the 2 arms and the head that way and twist like that. Oh, my arms aren't too bad actually this time. There we are. So I'm just going to bend that one a little bit, give it a little bit of shape. And this is what we're left with so far. Now, I'm going to turn his legs facing front, turn his head facing front. And I want to give him some knees. So again, I'm just going to bend and rub. Like that. Same on this side. Give it a little squeezy squeeze. Right, it just gives them a little bit of a knee there. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop this down, or at a party I would have it under my arm. So I've just got my random bit of balloon here, and I'm going to turn it over on itself like that and press and squeeze, a bit like when you make a sword, and push it through like that just to lock it into place. Take my bit of random scrap, excuse me, it's downstairs, hang on. Right, thank you. And take my bit of random scrap and just wrap it round, rappity wrap. Like that. And I'm going to fix it onto his hand. So I think we'll put it on this hand. I don't really think it makes much difference. Again, just wrapping it round, so that wrapping it a few times might just pass it through his palm as well, just to secure it in place there. And then I'm going to finish off by giving him a little face. And hopefully I won't ruin it. I'm going to give him some eyes. Would you like some triangles? And now I'm going to do like a little spider web on his face. So I normally just keep it simple, like that. And then just across a couple of times. And then I draw a diamond and a big diamond. I'm not entirely sure if this is the right logo, but it will have to do. And then I do two legs coming out of the top bit, going up, and two coming down the other way. That's good enough. And now we've got our Spidey, and you can give it to the birthday child. They can hold the handle and they can swing him through the streets. It's awesome. This is really well received and very much coveted. All the kids want it, particularly the boys. You can adapt it as well to look like the Hulk or something like that, I guess. But this is Spidey. And I hope that was helpful for you too. I better get off to this party then. See you in the next video.